should wait for next week?
So if it's anything urgent that you need to know, so go ahead. If not, so let's leave it for Monday.
Well, I think this question may be like relevant to people that are surrounded by I don't know, acquaintances or family members that are not interested in Judaism or in religion at all.
Okay, go ahead. Let's listen.
So, of course, it is known that the best way to get people interested in these things is by setting the example, right?
Mm-hmm.
But since these people know where's the truth, since they know that Judaism is the truth, that Torah is the truth, can they use this? Can they use the fact that we're not the best example yet in order not to change? I mean, perhaps they can say, okay, I would be interested in Judaism if you were a better example, but since you are not, then perhaps I think I'm not interested in it. But yeah, they know where the truth is. So can they use this as an excuse, I don't know, for it to budge for them when they have to face HaShem in the world to come?
If they can use this excuse, they're going to use this excuse, believe it or not. So, but it's not going to work. They will try to use excuse. But do the people know the truth on a subconscious? They do, and we actually learn it. Guess what? We learned it this morning. We have the guy is not here. We learned Michtaf Meliyahu, Rabbi Dessler's Zatzal, and he said that. Even though our mind is corrupted, meaning it's always biased, right? But Hashem still, Hashem is still in this world. It's not always biased. So even like a person leaning to one side, he still knows what the truth is. So his subconscious, right, would tell him what the truth is. And in his mind, he said, no, it's not true, but it's a second best. It's a best what I can do today. Today could be for the next 50 years, right? So he said, I can do today. So on a subconscious, he knows that your lifestyle or another person's lifestyle is correct one. But he chose not to do, and he would make any excuse whatever he wants. But in the deep of his heart, does he know? Of course he knows. But he's not going to follow because of this and that desire. That's it. It's very, very simple, very, very straightforward. You understand? Of course, they're never going to acknowledge, but we need to understand what's going on. It's not you, it's their desires. But of course, we have to purify ourselves. We have to be the best example possible. You understand? But not for them, but for Hashem, and they're going to get affected for sure. So this holiness is actually contagious. Right? So some people who are very, very dirty, very, very low, they're going to go against you. No, not you, in general. Right? The person who's trying to purify, they're going to against you. And the person, like I have this many reports and from family members. So from family members of my students. So the person said, I do not know. This lady said, the beautiful lady, like a sweet lady. She said, I do not know what they want from me. I don't tell them anything. She used to rebuke them. I told her to stop. She stopped. And now they go against her for no reason. Why? Because she wants to purify herself. She wants to be holy. She wants to dress differently. You understand? And they understand the subconscious and the conscious that that's whatever they do is absolutely wrong. And she's show them an example that it could be different. So they act very, very unfortunately nasty. Unfortunately, but of course we give you advice how to handle this. But that's the thing. That's a reaction from family members, acquaintances, other people that are close to us. That's a normal reaction. Okay, but if you work on yourself, you just persevere. You just don't pay attention. Tries to limit this conversation. So eventually it should work, and it should be contagious. And they want to be like they would come to ask you a blessing, and to come to ask you a question. And maybe they're also going to change. Possible.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
Just to finish the
Yes,
issue. So, so for example, if the person is he doesn't managed to be the best example for them, the time that they spent together, but he's still doing like great endeavors in order to change for good. Is he still gonna be, let's say, held responsible if he doesn't manage to be like the best example he can, or?
So we're not obligated to change and purify yourself because of somebody. It's not our goal to impress people around us. Okay, people are going to get impressed, but it's not our goal. You understand? So anyway, if they want to make all of the excuses and all of the like stupid things, I hear many times from these Jews who do not want to absorb, they say like some bad things about the Jews that they heard maybe in the second grade, and they still debate. I said, "You normal?" I said, "Dude." He said, "Yeah, this religion." I said, "Give me his phone number. I want to call him. I want to call him now. Go find out. I want to call him and ask him if he does it." No, I cannot do that. And then we figure out. So I press the people. Sometimes I'm getting very excited and aggressive. And there's no such a person. They will know such a bad religious example that they know. In their mind, they don't want to be. They don't want to follow their desires, the low desires, and they decided to be. So, like, be honest at least with yourself. Just say, I cannot overcome my desires. I want to live with this woman that I'm not allowed to be 1 second. Together in a row. So just be honest. Don't deride the Jewish nation because of your low desires, right? Okay. So again, we don't try to impress anybody. We're trying to impress ourselves first. So and Hashem should help. He always helps, but you ask him always. You ask him Hashem assistance with everything. Don't count that. Just because it's obvious and you can do it, that you're going to do it. No, you ask Hashem always. Hashem, help me in this and that, and I always ask Hashem, always, absolutely always, right? Because without Hashem, we're nothing. So, okay, but with His help, we can do a lot. Right. Go ahead. So stop here. Yeah, you're welcome.
I just have like lately I've been having this feeling that I just have this need to help people around me. I just feel like there's got to be a way they are gonna be, I don't know, interested in this, because I mean time is running out every day, every second, and I don't want people to go through the hardships that are yet to come with the coming of the Mashiach. Like I desperately looking for ways to get people closer to Hashem. I just feel it kind of arousing me. I feel like kind of sad for everyone else. Like I feel it's hard to deal with, actually. It's very sad. But Baruch Hashem,
no, but if you feel this and have to convince them that you speak into the bottom of the heart, and you have to help them. That's how I always try start my conversation if I'm trying to help somebody. So I always say I have many things to do that I'd like to do, right? And nobody wants to give somebody like a rebuke, sometimes I know that it could be our last conversation. I'm going to tell you what I have to tell you, but you do it because I care. Maybe I even care about you more than you care about yourself, because based on your behavior, you don't care about yourself, but I do. So I'm going to give you information. What are you going to do this information? Your business. You're going to block me, this and that. Okay, it's your business. But you're not blocking me. You're blocking Hashem. I'm just a messenger. I'm just this parrot that just repeat that what Hashem said. It's not me that you're against. What is it? I'm getting like money from you or something, like any benefit from you? Nothing. Right? So I'm trying to help you. Whatever I do for your sake, for your benefit, and that's how you also have to say. So, but okay, and I give you information. Please listen. Please look. Please watch. Please this. Please that. They say absolutely not. I don't believe. Okay, don't believe. What can I do? It's your problem. Okay.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
Yes. You're welcome. So let's stop here because I have to do still some work. So thank you very much to everybody that especially stayed so late. Baruch Hashem, who always double the time. No, we did double the time, more than double. Baruch Hashem, that's good. So it was a very successful week. Baruch Hashem, we learned a lot, answered a lot of questions, very very important questions. So prepare your questions. So whatever bothers you, please don't be shy and ask the question. And sometimes things that you sure was right, you were right all your life, just check. Let's see the other perspective. So thank you very much. Good night, good Shabbos until Monday, BeEzrat Hashem. Same time. Thank you.